So now we're going to optimize the DO install. So you saw we had the first batch of files from the previous video, which was Wi-Fi and sending the two APKs down. And then we had our second set of files with the 12 steps in it and our conditions and our delays. So that gave us two different stage now barcode sheets, one barcode on one, 5 on another. So what we're going to do is we're going to optimize this now. So we'll take the second batch with the 12 steps, and we're going to export it like we're going to export it for an MDM. And when we export it, we'll call it whatever you want, but it's an XML file. So here's our first step. So we're just going to make this, we're going to call it awdo install. Say save. Okay. So if we go in, we're going to edit this. We go to our stage now configs. Currently we have the 3 steps. And now we're going to add 2 settings to it. We're going to add a file manager and a batch. And then we're going to say update. So we'll see 2 more steps come here. So from there, that XML we created, we're going to rename this. We're going to transfer the files, put it on the device, and we'll use the same path as before. And then a file on a remote server, we're going to use it from the PC you're working on. And I'll grab it, called it here. Continue. So basically, we're going to run this like an MDM would. As an XML, a file in the file device system, and that's where we have it. And we're going to say continue. And from this point, we can run it, and we will have 2 barcodes. So when you take the device out of the box, you're going to scan this one to bypass the GMS. It'll take you to stage now. You're going to scan 1, 2. So now we have 2 barcodes. And we see in this XML file, all of our information is now in here, even our JSON, which is encrypted. So you can't edit it here. If you need to make a change, you need to go back to that 12-step package we created before, make your changes in there, or update the JSON and make it, and then once you do that, you'll need to export it again. Scan those files, those 2 barcodes, and you will be enrolled.